Just keep going.
Daddy, you do it.
Oh, there's the fish. It's okay. Look. Oh man, it's right there. Can you? Here, I'll hold it. Reel it. Reel it. There you go. Just crank it. Crank it. Is this the same guy that got away last time? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Does he feel? Oh yeah, he's still on it, right? Where'd he go? Oh man, look at the bend. Oh man, he's down there. Oh! I see the fish down there. Holy crap! Look at that, Lukey.
Daddy.
He's tangled up in the weeds right there, or in the. Yeah! Lukey, you're doing it. Lukey, good boy. There he is. Keep tension on him. Oh my God, that's a huge fish. Here, reel it. He's gonna get away. Okay, I'm holding the pole. Luke, okay, that's good. Good job, buddy. Oh my God. All right. Holy crap. Okay. Here. Oh my gosh. Watch out, the hook. Wow, look at that guy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that, Lukey. Holy smokes.
Yeah, now we can. Yeah, but I